I have posted here on the channel a lot of DIY cool projects I have built and I have came across since I started this channel. Some projects are extremely amazing and the builder had an amazing attention to details. This project that I am about to share with you is not just amazing. This builder is just a maniac. When I saw this creation, this monster project, I could not believe that one person and the passion for portable vehicles can be so big. Each part is designed and built in his shop. Rims, arms, suspensions, all made in the builder shop. The level of difficulty and the time spent on fabrication, testing and improving each section of the build after it was already done is just amazingly scary. This guy is just a maniac. Each panel, each section is designed with high precision and attention to detail. The frame, the fork, the throttle, the electronics and controls are all custom made. This scooter even has a cooling system. Can you believe this? The entire structure flows elegantly with monster power output. This vehicle is efficient, comfortable to ride, has amazing control and high power. Even the motor is made piece by piece and winded by the builder. Even after he created this motor, he went back and he took it apart and redesigned and rewinded again. If you'd like to get more info on this build, please check in the description. I have all the information posted there. Also, if you want to see similar projects, check this forum called endlessphere.com. This is the first forum that was created for any electric vehicle. Just scroll through there. If you have any questions, there's a lot of information up there you can find. Then you can start your journey creating portable vehicles. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.